Alright, so the first shot I would like is this shot here. Your phone in the background while you're blowing your hair. Yeah. Put it down and you pick up your phone. So the next shot is this here where you're blow drying your hair. Blow drying your hair. Blow drying your hair. You blow drying your hair. You hear a text message. You put the hairdryer down and you pick up your phone. This shot here is cool. It's like an extreme close-up at like a weird angle. See if you can, you just gotta play around with your tripod a little bit to get this like weird skewed angle. And it'll be, and take it from the hairdryer to putting it down to looking at the phone like you're texting and texting, and the flash happens. So I don't want to see the phone screen. Just have it to the side like this a little bit as you're texting and stuff. It's a close-up of the phone, and the phone flashes, and then you put it down. Pick up the hairdryer, try and get it in frame. Pick up the hairdryer, turn it towards you, or turn it up like this, and then bring it up. So you have a stone face. Like the minute the flash happens, you have like a stone face, like a zombie face, just like a blanket expression. And and bring the hairdryer up, and let this shot go for a long time, and don't turn it on. Just press the button like you're turning it on, but don't necessarily turn it on. You can just like unplug it from your wall. I'll put in the sound effect, all right, of the hairdryer. So the hairdryer's going up. And point it at your forehead, not at your hair. I'm not gonna do it, but let this shot, film this shot just like this position for like 30 seconds. All right? Okay. All I did here is lay the camera flat on its back on the counter. And again, give me about 30 seconds of this shot here. Actually, you can bring it really close. For this shot and the last shot, you can actually bring the hairdryer really about an inch away from your forehead. Actually, if there's a way to put it on a cool setting and do turn it on, do that. This one has like a cool button because maybe I don't have any hair, but you have hair, so it'll blow it. But set it to cool and let it blow right in the middle of your forehead, okay? About an inch away from your forehead. And after 30 seconds, start to keep holding it. Get out of this shot. So for this one, you're falling, but you still have the hairdryer on your hand pointed at your forehead, okay? And give me like 30 seconds of this. And your face is calm and expressionless. You see what we're doing here, right? It's essentially you're like boiling your brain. That's what's gonna kill you. I know it's weird, but it should be fun once it's put together. Okay, so next shot. See if you can get me a wide shot like this from outside of the bathroom. And just repeat this action. Just repeat everything I'm about to do. You might need to have your hairdryer on an extension cord if it. Let this shot go for a long time. And then at the end of the 30 seconds, like, here, so here you're already on the floor with the thing pointed, blank face. Give me about 20 seconds of this. Here, so here you're already on the floor with the thing pointed, blank face. Give me about 20 seconds of this. So for this, try and be as still as possible because I'm gonna try and do like a video effect of like your forehead burning or something, okay? Cool too if you can somehow put like a little something on an end of the camera so it gives you put the camera on the floor and then it gives you this kind of an angle. See if you can achieve this. This might be a cool shot. You're gonna have to hold your breath so it doesn't look like you're breathing. It's a little tough. It's tough for me. As I'm doing it, I'm like, hey, this might be a little difficult, but do the best that you can.
Subscribe.